years old, and this is the furnace that was put in when it was built. It's not efficient, I know that, and I'm not convinced that it's probably real safe anymore. The idea of getting a new furnace is just beyond what I could have imagined. It's just such a gift. How are you doing, Colleen?
How you doing? I'm Kevin.
Nice to meet you. Come on in.
Have a seat for you.
Thank you for I'm feeling incredibly blessed. I'm feeling safer about the furnace in my house. I can't wait for it to get cold so I can see how well it works. It's like a miracle. It's really the best Christmas gift I could ever have gotten.